Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a new package that we're unboxing. These are the new headlights, because as you guys know that the old headlights, there was the DRL on the driver's side that was not working. So now what we do have now is we have the new Alpharex headlights. Now this is going to be the Pro Series, not the Nova Series. The DRL is a little different, and it's only going to be one projector in the front, not two. It's going to be probably like $500 cheaper. I'm going to do a full unboxing and show you what it looks like and the difference between them two. So let's go ahead and check it out right now. So this is the new one, and I'm excited to get this on. And this has LEDs already in them. I opted in for the ones with LEDs already put in. So let's go ahead and open this up. Don't want to rip the packaging because I'm going to put the old ones back in this and then ship them out and return them. But this looks cool. So this is them right here. And it does come with the harness right here, which I'm not going to use like last time. This is the DRL harness. But as you can see, the ring is actually a white this time instead of like the, I don't even know how you call it, it was like spotty and a lot cleaner. The LEDs are already in there, so I don't have to take them out of the back right here. Because normally you'd have to take them out like this. But if I just open this up, then you can see that they're already in there, the LEDs, which is perfect. So I can close that up. And this one comes with all the bulbs is already inside. I don't have to use a old, what's it called? This not the parking light, this is the turn signal light. So I won't have to use my old one, which is perfect. And then just plug and play, which is super cool. So I just plug that in and then plug the parking light to that. So that's super easy to do. Other than that, let me just see if, yeah, see? Good to go, perfect. So that's good. And that's hooked up to the headlights, so all I have to do is just plug this in and plug that in. And then we should be good. I don't think there's any more clips. Oh yeah, you have the parking light right here. That's it. So, looks awesome. Hopefully these works, because I'd be so devastated if this one doesn't work either. But I have a pretty good feeling that they're gonna come in clutch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make a video of me replacing the other ones. So that means I have to take the whole housing out again, which is gonna suck, but I mean, I'll take the whole grill apart, take the headlights apart, put these ones in. Hopefully these ones work, and then I can take the other ones out, ship them back, and then not have to worry about this headache anymore. Because I just really don't want to like take the whole truck apart again. But I know how to do this time, so it'll be super quick. But yeah, so that's the unboxing for this one right here. So there it is right there. It does come with this piece, which is what we needed. I'm not going to take this plastic off yet. And then the second one is in here, which is basically the same thing, just on the other side. So I like this bar a lot better than the other bar. I think it looks way cooler. Apparently it's not as bright as the other bar, but the other one's probably, I think, too bright, so I don't think it matters. And the projectors, like I said, there's only one projector here versus the two projectors on the other one, and the two projectors for the low beams of this one and then the high beams of this one. Normally, if you were to buy these, it's going to be halogen bulbs, but like I said, they were upgraded to LEDs right here. So, and then lastly, this is not the sequential where it does like the light show. I just opted in for just when you unlock it, it just turns white and then it turns back. So I don't care about the light show. It's cool, but you know, it's not. I feel like maybe that's what caused the problem. Just all the lights, the sequential turning. Maybe that shorted out the bulb. I have no idea, but I just opted in for just blink and it turns white and then it turns off, and that's it. So as you guys know, when I turn this on, only that side lights up. This side does not. It's not actually flickering, that's just the aperture of my camera. So yeah, that's why it doesn't work. So we're sending those back in the same box, and then we're gonna put the new ones in. And as you can tell, the DRL from the old light is not the same as the new light. The new one has like a white kind of DRL light, and this one has 2 projectors. The other one has 1 projector, so it's a little bit cheaper. And this one has the sequential, the other one does not. And actually, I'm actually going to go inside here real quick because I have the old DRL harness that I need to send back as well. So that's that right there. So this is going to go back too. I didn't even open it. And then I'll get the other one, and I'll put the other harness in my glove compartment as well, just in case I want to use it or do something with it one day, or I don't know. We'll see. It's just, I don't know, I don't feel like I want anything connected to my battery at the moment, so that's why I opted out of doing this. But it's kind of easy. You just tap into the fuse, you put the negative and the positive on the battery, and then you plug it into the back of the running light. So alright, so there you guys go. I'm gonna go ahead and install them later today or tomorrow, and I'll do a comparison of this one versus the other one when I put them both side by side, so you can kind of see the difference. But other than that, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace, guys.